electric SUV is getting a fresh start in the US, and a new name. What used to be called the bZ4X is now simply the Toyota bZ. But this isn't just a rebrand. It comes with real upgrades in design, tech, and performance. The new Toyota bZ features sharper LED headlights, redesigned bumpers, and new 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels. Some models also get body-colored fenders for a cleaner look, but only in select colors like wind chill pearl, heavy metal, and black. Inside, the bZ gets a larger 14-inch touchscreen, dual wireless chargers, and 64-color ambient lighting. Paddle shifters are now included to control regenerative braking, adding a more engaging driving experience. Under the skin, big changes are here. The AWD version now produces 338 horsepower, while the FWD model has 221 horsepower, a noticeable boost from the previous model. Driving range also improves by 25%, now offering up to 314 miles on a full charge, thanks to a larger 74.7 kWh battery. A smaller 57.7 kWh option will also be available with a 236-mile range. It's also compatible with the Tesla Supercharger network and supports fast charging, 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. The 2026 Toyota bZ arrives in the US later this year, with XLE and limited trims, and both FWD and AWD setups. Pricing is still under wraps, but this is just the beginning. Toyota is planning more EVs soon.